Edmunds.com is an automotive website. We also have other properties like InsideLine.com and CarSpace.com. Edmunds is primarily for new car research, but we also provide information relating to used cars and finance and true cost of ownership and true market value, things of that nature. IT at Edmunds.com is at the heart of its business. We realized that Edmunds, in order to attain its revenue goals over the next several years, that we were going to need to take control of our own IT infrastructure. Previously, we had outsourced it to a number of outsourced providers. And as an enterprise service provider, we found Dell to be an excellent provider. We utilize Dell hardware for all of our infrastructure gear. In conjunction with our data center design, Dell gear has been able to provide us with a significant total cost of ownership argument. The value add for the consistent cabling on the back of Dell servers allows bare metal provisioning very quickly, allows us to swap in and out hardware very quickly.
Really, where?
Right here by research.
Is it on Edmunds.com?
It is.
Oh, very cool.
Edmunds is growing very quickly, both people and technology-wise. Dell's common and consistent architecture and design of the back panels of the machines allow us to easily provision new servers with consistent look and feel. The training overhead is super low. We can use data center hands and eyes to deploy new services as a result of this. Not only is serviceability important, but reliability of the hardware components. Dell Services and Dell Professional Services have been able to provide us with quick turnaround time for hardware orders, and as we scale, we don't need to keep an inventory of servers. Availability is an absolute must for Edmunds IT, specifically with our business-to-consumer products. We have a very large infrastructure, and one of the reasons we went with Dell is because it was able to achieve our high-level design principles. We have a spares pool of Dell hardware which we can dynamically allocate to any particular tier that's experiencing an outage or extreme load. Dell's solution, packaged with VMware ESX and GSX server, has provided us with the pathway that we require to fundamentally manage our entire virtualized infrastructure. One thing you'll notice walking up and down the aisles of our cage, we call it, at the data center, is that you won't find any screens or keyboards or mouse devices, and that's largely because of Dell's open manage and remote administration capabilities. We are very rarely at the data center unless we need to deploy new services. Managing services remotely is a snap for us. I would recommend Dell to any IT infrastructure looking to grow and to scale out their information technology services with a vendor who can provide a true cost of ownership argument, quick turnaround time, and provide the right gear at the right price at the right time.